Man, that's the original, huh? Yeah. He's like, this is running an empty food review. And you're watching the report of the week.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Well, how are you?
I'm doing good. It's finally getting warm.
Yeah, no doubt.
Once that sun peeks through, it was
I think I need to get my sunglasses out.
Ah, skiing time.
yeah.
Coming soon. Wow, 3 kids at once.
Oh yeah, tell me about it.
That's
Finally too big for me to even put them in there.
that's a handful. Marlin. How much are your DVDs?
A quarter piece.
Oh geez, that's so cheap, I don't even know.
I know. Listen, I give you that whole bag for $10. All the things.
10 bucks? A quarter piece.
Okay.
How much is the P90X?
The P90X is $2.
2 bucks. 2 bucks for the P90X. So which do you like better, the P90X or the Bob Harper?
You know, I just like Bob Harper.
I do too, like as a person, I know.
He just looks like a
I
really
know.
cool guy. And very,
But the P90X, like, I've heard really good stories about the
yeah,
P90X, so.
and very sneaky, like, your buddy, you know?
Yeah.
So but the P90X was, and the P90X seemed more intense, but the Bob Harper workouts were,
Yeah.
they were just as good.
Elijah, you want to get the P90X? He wants to buy something.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think I'll buy Bob Harper and he can buy P90X.
Perfect.
So 2 bucks from me and 2 bucks for you, Eli. You got your money?
Oh, good. You fixed it. It said that earlier. Somebody cleared it off of there. Thank you. I love
That's
it.
funny. You got 2 bucks?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There you go. Oh, you got your guitar out? You're not gonna play?
Oh, I've been playing.
Ah, we missed out.
Multiple people showed up. Thank you. Don't forget it over there.
Oh, look, a little micro lava lamp. That's cute.
Isn't that fun?
I went to a yard sale the other week and I found a lava lamp from like the 70s.
A real lava lamp.
Yeah, it was cool.
Oh, I'm a science teacher.
Okay.
And I do a unit on light and heat. And so I went to, I
Grab
had
the
a
book
lava
to
lamp
come
when I
with it.
grew up, you know? And I
Yeah.
went to go buy one from, what is it, 5 and below or something.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just not the same.
They're terrible.
It's just not the same.
They
I'm like,
break
dang,
like
I can't-
instantly.
Yep, I was like, I regret ever
Yeah.
getting rid of my lava
Yeah.
lamp.
All right, hey, thank you.
Alright.
You have good luck at your sale. Oh, how much is that globe thing?
$10.
It's kind of cool with them doing the homeschool and stuff. It's used or it's brand new?
Really never been opened.
Hmm. You think you'd do 7 on it?
Well, she just went inside.
Oh, I can wait.
Okay.
Let me make sure I have 7 before I off it to her.
Yeah, right? Let me pop it and see what she says.
5, 6, 7.
I'll take 7.
Okay, cool. Cool.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Absolutely. Have a good rest of the weekend.
Yeah.
I can try it.
Yeah. Cool.
For you, boy.
Morning.
Morning.
No, that's not part of the sale. No, no, only what's out here. Only what's out here.
Well, I mean, I guess you like crafting. It's a good sale if you're a crafter. Hello.
Good morning.
I almost missed you.
What's that?
I almost missed you.
I put it on inside out.
Speedy Gonzalez running around like a madman.
I'm sorry, the latch is broke on that one.
Yeah, it's alright. I just didn't want to make a big mess.
It broke.
Got some toys.
Oh, drill. I get to drill. I think I used to have one of these.
A lot of little toys. Tools.
I used to have one of these. Wow. I used to have one of these.
Did you?
Yeah. I think I got it at,
Hmm.
What are those called?
Yeah, like Goodwill,
Yeah, Goodwill.
thrift store, something like that.
That's $1 a piece.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my old knees.
But all right.
Well, it's a good time to buy one of those.
I know. I know.
Clothes are $1 a piece.
Okay.
Like on the racks
I'll look at these two.
or-
Where's the house, son? Where's the house?
That's interesting.
Oh, no.
We can plug anything in to make sure it works for you if you want.
Okay. Don't break stuff. The Dream Bar. How much is this?
I don't know, a couple dollars.
Couple bucks.
We can plug it in, make sure it works. If it's not got
Yeah,
batteries.
let's test it out.
Yeah, let's go right over here.
Yeah. Wait a second. There's one and two, but there's the other one. Just bring it, Jay.
I got something for Anna. This is for Kat.
Oh, a little vacuum?
Yeah.
You'd like that? Oh, well, I don't want you to tear down your house for it. Come on.
It works.
Yeah, it works. Well. Oh yeah, she's dim. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that for $2. Why not?
Would you do $30 for this?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just because it's you.
He's buying it for his sister for Christmas.
Well, that's a good thing to do. When you learn to negotiate.
Yeah, I told him never to pay sticker price.
You have
But I just paid it, so.
I owe you
Chipmunks. Man, that's the original, huh? I'm gonna have to buy this out of nostalgia.
It's a fun game.
Yeah, and it's reasonably enough priced. Let me see. Do you have a $5 bill?
Yeah.
The ones they make now are just terrible. The battleships.
Is that right?
Yeah, the quality is awful. This is the one I had as a kid. Okay, cool. Hey Elijah, any of these shoes fit you? No, they're all too small.
they need to be bigger than a 6.
Stop growing so fast.
I know, I'm already at 6, which is as big as 1.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, sir.
Just put 1 foot down.
Okay, cool.
Sit down, put 1 foot down, show you the comparison.